One of the really powerful tools of Google Drive is the fact that you can collaborate on documents with other people at the same time. And so we can have several people using a document and making changes to it, and we can all be editing it and commenting on it all at the same time, and you can see those changes update in real time. That's especially useful in a classroom setting where you may want to have students work on a project together collaboratively and really increase the different kinds of learning that can happen in a classroom. So I'm going to take this document, which is mostly just some dummy text, and I'm going to share it with another account. And I'm going to make sure that it says can edit, and we'll send this over. And I don't need to notify via email. And okay. So I'm now working with a shared document, and right now it's just me working on it, okay, and I'm editing this document. But in a second, I'm going to have the other staff member connect to the document by opening it up, and we'll both be able to edit at the same time. All right, in just 1 second, you're going to see a notification up here that indicates the other person that has access to this file is currently looking at it and has the ability to edit it at the same time. And there it is. The demo staff person has access to the document, and their cursor is right up there at the top. So I could be working down here, making changes, while they're highlighting sections up here and making changes also. Okay, so all of this is happening at one time, and you could have multiple people involved in this. Now, obviously, in a classroom setting, there needs to be some expectations for students on how this is going to be used, because it could be used in inappropriate ways. But it's really a fantastic tool to be able to work collaboratively real time on the same document, even if you're not in the same area. So let's say you had a project with students and one student was homesick but was up to the task of participating in the project at home. They could use their phone or tablet or computer to access the group's project, and they could continue to work on it together at the same time. And there's other features involved here that can help with that. You could collaborate by adding comments and starting a conversation here. And the collaboration partners can also jump in on that conversation. And there's a response right there. You can also open up a chat area, and everybody who's involved can chat about the project right here. So multiple tools make it easy for several different people to work on a project, work on a document at the same time. And these things that I'm demonstrating aren't limited to Google Docs. You can also do this with Google Sheets and Slides. Just as a quick example, here we are in Google Sheets, and here's a collaborative document. I'm working with another person here. They are working in cell C1. My cursor's down here in D5. We've got a list of names and phone numbers, and so I can click here and add a comment. So you can see the comment that I made up here, and then the response for bolding that top line there. And down here, there's a comment from the other staff that says, please italicize the phone numbers, so I can go ahead and do that part. And I can reply. And so these tools are available in the other apps as well. Really valuable tools that allow more than one person to work on the same document at the same time, regardless of location. That opens up a lot of doors in the classroom for ways that students can learn together.